What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. I'm excited for this video. In this video, it's going to be a little bit different. So what I want to do in this video is I want to share my experience with affiliate marketing and CPA networks. In this video, I'm going to go over a past experience I've had in the last couple of weeks with an affiliate network. Essentially, they ripped me off, and I'm going to explain what happened. So for anybody who's a beginner affiliate marketer, even in advance like myself, I want you guys to have a full understanding of the industry, the good, the bad, and I'm going to share one of my experiences that ended up that I thought it was going to be good. I was promoting a product, things went sideways, and I'm going to tell you guys the exact product and the exact story of what happened. So if you're promoting this product, you've seen similar products to this, protect yourself, don't promote the product, do a little bit of research before you actually promote a product. As I explained in other videos, make sure if you're going to promote an affiliate product, do research on the product that you're going to promote. Just make sure that offer pays and other affiliates are promoting it and the offer converts. But we're going to dive right into it and I'm going to explain exactly what happened. Welcome. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love content like this. Let me know what kind of content you guys also want to see. So essentially what happened is I decided I want to promote an affiliate product. What happened? The affiliate product, it paid between $20 to $30 and I ran into an issue. The issue is that I decided that once I started promoting it, I wanted to get paid. Like everyone else who starts affiliate marketing, you guys want to get paid. So what happened was a few months went by and now I had people sign up for the product and I actually promoted it. I actually made a YouTube video on the product and the product was called Credit Response. Now let me tell you a little bit of what happened and what you can do to protect yourself as an affiliate. So one thing you can actually do is do research on the actual product owner, and this is what happened. I decided to promote Credit Response and the product owner decided not to pay the affiliates. Now what can you do as an affiliate? You can't do anything. All I did was, now this product was actually on JVZoo. So now if you're in JVZoo or you're heavily promoting JVZoo, be careful. Now how much did I get ripped off or how much did I lose? Essentially it was 150 bucks is what they owe me. And the reason I wanted to share this of what happened with me, this isn't a super long story, but I want you guys just to be careful on what affiliate products you promote. There's a ton of ClickBank products, a ton of JVZoo products. If you're trying to decide and you're a beginner on what product to promote or what network to join, if you can, join an actual CPA network, Max Bounty, Peerfly. There's a list of them you guys can go see. So then what I did now is I ended up messaging JVZoo support. I was going back and forth with JVZoo for about 2 weeks and the resolution was this. JVZoo let me know that if you're an affiliate promoting a product on JVZoo, JVZoo themselves, they aren't liable. And I can actually put a screenshot up on the screen of, so actually what I want to do too is I want to read you what JVZoo support actually told me. They said, it states paragraph 13, limitations and liability. It states JVZoo does not guarantee that affiliate will achieve any particular earnings or results through affiliate participation. JVZoo isn't liable for that $150 commission that I'm owed. So now the reason I share this is because some people, if you're just getting into affiliate marketing, let's just say you have $500 a test. Me, I'm making thousands with affiliate marketing and CPA. But if I was a beginner and I just had $300 and I was testing campaigns, whether it was Google, Facebook, Bing, or any traffic source, when you get ripped off, you get ripped off. And I mean, it could have been 1,000, it could have been 3,000, it could have been 5,000. Luckily for me, it was only $150. So in the fine print, JVZoo's not liable. So what JVZoo did is that they ended up contacting the vendor. The vendor did not respond. So the JVZoo product owner did not respond to this. So at the end of the day, I was pretty upset. I ended up responding to the customer rep. I said, so JVZoo allows scams. And the rep ended up responding, sorry sir, JVZoo does not participate in scams. But essentially that let me believe that what someone can do is they can go to JVZoo, they can set up an account, they can actually sell their own product and then not pay the affiliates, bottom line. And then if that affiliate does not get paid, what JVZoo will do is that they'll reach out to the product owner, and if the product owner doesn't respond, they'll put their account under probation, and until the issue is solved, that product owner is still not allowed to promote other products on JVZoo. So at the end of the day, if you guys have shared similar experiences on promoting an affiliate product, share your story below. I'd love to read it and see what type of experiences you guys have went through. And make sure you guys don't make the same mistake I did. That specific product, I didn't dive deep just to make sure that product owner paid, and I ended up getting ripped off. And don't make that mistake. So affiliate networks do skim leads. All of them do it, and what that means is, let's just say you're promoting a $20 offer and you have 100 people sign up one day for a $20 offer. 9 times out of 10, they probably took about 6 or 8 of them. 6 or 8 of those sales most likely didn't count. So I'm not saying any networks in specifically do this, but that's why I always tell people, if you find, for example, in ClickBank, Red Tea Detox, promote it in ClickBank and find another network that has Red Tea Detox and see which one makes you conversions. Let's just say you're making 10 sales a day. See as if you're sending the same exact highly targeted traffic, grade A, tier 1 traffic. See if you're making 10 sales a day consistently, you may make 15 sales consistently with the same traffic source using a different company. So be wary of that, and whenever you choose an affiliate product, please do your research on the product owner, especially if you're going to promote on JVZoo and ClickBank. They're by far some of the biggest companies for beginners, and I just don't want what happened to me to happen to anybody else who's especially on a $500 budget, $1,000 budget, trying to choose products. So I hope sharing my story on what happened to me can protect you in the future on choosing an affiliate product and just doing a little research, maybe even messaging customer support of ClickBank or Max Bounty or Affiliate Manager or any network, and just double checking and message the customer support or your affiliate manager and just verify that the product that you actually want to promote, no matter the network, the affiliates are being paid on time from that product. So let me know if you have any questions about my experience below. I'm happy to help. So as always, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Everybody who stuck to the end, MVPs. Let me know if you like these types of videos. I plan on making more videos like this, and I want to share with everybody the good, the bad, the ugly, the amazing a part of being an affiliate marketer, making money from home, and just sharing my experiences, whether it's good or bad. So make sure to check out my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates. I post content in there. Check out the private videos, and thank you for watching.
And I'm like, whoa, man, my legs so goddamn cold. Diamonds when my teeth are sore. I got homies, let it go. My money, they will never fall. She said, kid, I have some to hold, and I can never tell you.